Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jotform to Google Sheets, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Jotform website. Log in to your Jotform account. Select the form you want to connect to Google Sheets. Click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen. In the left sidebar, choose Integrations. Use the search bar to find Google Sheets. Click on the Google Sheets integration option. Next, click the Authenticate button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and allow Jotform access to your Google Sheets. Now, choose whether to create a new spreadsheet or connect to an existing one. If you choose to create a new spreadsheet, enter the desired name for your spreadsheet. If connecting to an existing sheet, select it from the list. Click the Complete Integration button. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. To test the integration, go back to your form and submit a sample entry. Then, check your Google Sheets to see if the entry appears. If everything looks good, you're all set. Now your Jotform submissions will automatically populate into your Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.